Welcome back to Grandpa Dave's Garage, also known as Caddyman on YouTube. Today we're going to tackle some repair, so please stay with me. I was able to find a replacement hood for this 1991 F250, which, other than being the wrong shade of blue, appeared to be in very good shape. During cleanup, a small crease was found on the leading edge of the hood, and on the underside some rust was visible on a section of the crimped underside seam. An area of the painted seam sealer had been dislodged, and rust was clearly visible. Decision was made to remove all of the original seam sealer, just in case there was additional rust creep that was not visible. Several other small areas were then found to have rust creep. This extra effort was a good decision. These areas were chemically treated, wire wheeled, and etched with metal prep. The small crease on the leading edge of the hood was assessed, and I determined that I could dolly hammer the metal straight without causing a need for immediate bodywork and paint on the upper side of the hood. The hood will eventually be removed again and painted to match the blue of the truck. Following the rust treatment, the complete seam was prepped, metal etched, and ready for seam sealer. Seam sealer can be applied by brush on or from a caulking style tube. I am using the brush on here as I only want a fairly thin layer. This is a slow and tedious process, but well worth the effort. Do not plug the holes in the corners with sealer, but do ensure that your paint covers any exposed bare metal. The hood blanket was then reinstalled. Several of the large fender washer style fasteners were either repaired or replaced, and the hood was reinstalled onto the truck.